In this video, we will learn how to add page in PDF file. So let's start. This is my PDF file and here I'm going to add this new page in this PDF file. So I just show you, I just double click on this PDF file and you can see here total page 1, total 4 pages here, page 2, page 3 and page 4. Okay, so in this PDF file have a 4 pages. Okay, and the new page of PDF is a page number 5. So page number 5, so this page I'm going to add in this PDF file. Okay, so let's see. So for add page of PDF, so I'm using here the one online tool. So I open here the online tool. You can see the URL ilovepdf.com/merge underscore PDF. Okay, and select the PDF files. So I select here the both file. First select the first file, then press the control key and select the second file also. Okay, then click on the open. Now you can see the both file is added here. You can change the here. Okay, change the order of your PDFs and you can drag and drop the files also. So page number 1 to 4 is here, total 4 pages on this file and the one page here. So I'm going to add this page. So just click on the merge PDF and click on the download merge PDF, then open this merge PDF. I just double click on it. Now you can see page number 1, total 5 pages here added, page number 2, 3, 4 and page number 5. Okay, you can see here the total 5 page is added here. So this is a way you can add the page in PDF file. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.